This is the Okuma LT2000 EX, and process flexibility is what it does best. Because with one CNC control, 2 spindles, 3 turrets, and many automation pairings, this horizontal lathe completes complex parts fast and in a single setup. Its strength is found in a massive cast iron base and heavy-duty linear roller guideways. While smart technologies turn this lathe into a productivity engine for any industry. Left and right spindles have the same powerful capacity, optimizing cycle time balance. The triple turret configuration enables simultaneous cutting and a 48 tool capacity. The proprietary OSPP 500 CNC control puts greater processing power in your hands, improving machining performance during every complex cut. And built-in automation readiness means this lathe's quick, intricate precision will repeat non-stop. When you need accurate, flexible, and high-speed production, look no further than the Okuma LT2000 EX.